All right, folks, once again, we're back at my house, and it's still grilling season. We've got something that I'm so excited to talk about. Doesn't get enough cred. They call them chopsteak. It's kind of like a burger that you make into a steak and you eat it without a bun. We want to do something a little bit different. We're calling it the Wagyu chopsteak. I don't think any of you are gonna disagree. Wagyu steaks, they're so expensive. We wanted to show you a way that you can basically build your own Wagyu steak from scratch. You can pick how much fat you want in it. You can even pick how big you want the steak to be. This is the other thing that I think even home cooks should have all the time. It's just like waxed recycled paper. You know, everybody in restaurants knows these patty papers. They're just amazing for this exact job. You know, most of the time they're for sandwiches or portioning. Instead of maybe 80 bucks a pound, 70 bucks a pound, 100 bucks a pound, you're talking $4 a pound. That sounds like a pretty amazing deal to me. Here's what matters most. Grinding your own meat, and grinding your own meat to like a 3mm grind, very fine grind, getting salt in there, and then gelatin. You make that mix, mash it all up, mold your steaks. The last thing that's most critical we found is this rest overnight. That rest overnight is gonna let that basically decked out hamburger turn into and bind into a nice Wagyu chopsteak. That's a good thing. So it's gonna firm up as the protein sets with that salt and as that gelatin starts to hydrate and soak up what's left of that myosin. Then you're gonna have, literally the next day, this amazing Wagyu chopsteak that you designed from scratch. From there, you treat it like a steak. You can cook it sous vide, you can pop it on the grill, throw it under a broiler, totally up to you. What we did here is we cooked them sous vide to seal in all those juices and to get the best possible texture. Then we just pop them on the grill for 1 or 2 minutes. They're golden. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God. Holy smokes. That's really all there is to it, man. Buy a boring old cheap brisket and turn it in to the best Wagyu chopsticks you've ever had. They're gonna be pretty damn good. I'm willing to bet they're gonna be better than a Wagyu steak, and they're definitely gonna be cheaper. Every time I say Wagyu chopsticks, it's gonna be like in quotations, but I don't really care.